Hi guys, this is an unboxing review of a Slice card which I have got. So this is how the package looks. Simple design. I've just teared this off. So let me open this and show you how it looks like. So you have some content. Remove the content out. There's nothing else. So we got a few things here. It says now you own the Slice Supercard and enjoy features like 2% instant cashback on every transaction. Slice your card bill over 3 months without extra charges. Enjoy new deals every week with Spark. SBM Bank. So you need to have an SBM Bank. It will be better. Card rear is blank. Then there's a green. Hello Dreamer. There's nothing in the that makes you happier. I've already opened this package, so that's the reason you might see it. A lot of effort went. XOXO Team Slice, and there's black. And these are beautiful stickers. Now they're very creative, yeah. Wow, you can actually stick them. You can see, stick them. Now epic. Welcome aboard, Dreamer. So it says, we believe you can fly, we believe you will fly. Wow. Now it says pull here. Okay, let me pull. What? Huh? This is amazing. So how to get my card activated? I need to scan. Got the card details which I blurred it out. So it's a quite stable package. Card is not easily flipping out. This is really beautiful package. You can slice it back in, slice it back out. Slice it back in, slice out. Slice in, slice out. Slice in, slice out. It's an amazing thing. So old school. This card. Reserve a spot in your wallet. Wow, that's cool. This card. It's collaboration with SBM Bank. So you make sure that you have a SBM Bank account. It's a zero balance account. It's only valid in India. And that's a good thing. Here are my card details which you can use for your own purpose, or you can buy your own card. You just have to install the app. It's amazing. Slice. Make now epic.
If you play with a pig, you are not epic. OMG.